Geobyte.
Hello students, welcome to GeoByte. In this video, let us discuss selective and important general knowledge questions with answers for all types of competitive exams. These questions has been asked in different competitive exams and there are chances to ask again in competitive exams. So these questions are very important. In this video, I am going to discuss the general knowledge questions on computer under subtopic General Introduction Part 3. Moving to the question number 1. Computers manipulate data in many ways, and this manipulation is called option A, utilizing, option B, batching, option C, upgrading, option D, processing, option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option D, processing. Moving to the question number 2. Dash is the result produced by a computer. Option A, data. Option B, memory. Option C, output. Option D, input. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option C, output. Next, moving to the question number 3. In an information system, alphanumeric data normally takes the form of option A, sentences and paragraphs, option B, numbers and alphabetical characters, option C, graphic shapes and figures, option D, human voices and other sounds, option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, numbers and alphabetical characters. Moving to the question number 4. Memory unit is one part of option A, control unit, option B, central processing unit, option C, input device, option D, output device, option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, central processing unit. Next, moving to the question number 5. Manipulating data to create information is known as option A, feedback, option B, programming, option C, processing, option D, analysis, option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option C, processing. Next, moving to the question number 6. Hardware used to translate words, sounds, images, and actions that people understand into a form that the system unit can process is known as option A, device drivers, option B, device readers, option C, input devices, option D, output devices, option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option C, input devices. Next, moving to the question number 7. Computer is whatever is typed, submitted, or transmitted to a computer system. Option A, input. Option B, output. Option C, data. Option D, circuitry. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, input. Next, moving to the question number 8. The information processing cycle includes the following processes. Option A, input, processing, output, storage. Option B, input, output, manipulation, arithmetic. Option C, data, processing, printing, editing. Option D, storage, display, data, information. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, input, processing, output, storage. So the information processing cycle includes input, processing, output, storage. Next, moving to the question number 9. The octal equivalent of binary number 1010011002 is option A, 515 base 8. Option B, 514 base 8. Option C, 504 base 8. Option D, 415 base 8. Option E, none of these. So the given binary number is 1010011100. It is in binary. That means base 2. Now we need to find the octal equivalent of the binary number. So octal means base is 8. So we can write 8 as 2 cube. 2 cube means we need to group the 3 digits, or we can say 3 binary digits in binary number. So if we group the given number is, this is the given number. If we group, this is a one group, 100 is one group, and one more group is 001, and one more group is 101. So in binary, normally we'll represent in the form of 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So 2 power 0 is nothing but 1, and 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4. Means whatever the 2 power 0, first value is 1, next value is 2, next value is 4. Means here we're having 101. So 101 means, so just write 101 here. 1, 0, 1. So 1 indicates that we need to select that number. 0 means we are not selecting that particular number. Here we are writing 1 in place of 4 and 1. So 4, 1 is nothing but 4 plus 1 is nothing but 5. So first number is we are writing 5. After that we are having 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. So 0, 0, 1 means we are selecting only one digit, that is 1. So here in this case we are getting 5, and in the next case we are getting 1. So 5, 1. So 5, 1. From option A we are getting 5, 1, and option B also we are getting 5, 1. Next, moving to the next digit, we are having 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0. So here 1 is in place of 4. So we are writing the value as 4. We are writing 5, 1, 4. So 5, 1, 4. So the answer is option B, 514 base 8. The octal equivalent of the binary number 10100 1100 base 2 is 514 base 8. Next, moving to the question number 10. The dash tells the rest of the computer how to carry out a program's instructions. Option A, ALU. Option B, control unit. Option C, system unit. Option D, motherboard. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, control unit. Let me know how many questions you answered correctly. Please do comment. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeoByte.
GeoByte.